And another situation that is going to happen a lot when you step over here, this guy is going to smell here the shin slice. It's like, oops, my leg goes down over here, it's gonna come with all the weight and I'm gonna be crushed on that position. So a lot of people defend this, sometimes even trying to throw a hook over here, and this knee's a little bit more high here in front of my chest. He's not giving me this opening, so instead of me trying to push his leg down this way, I'm gonna try to push his leg all the way to the other side, and we're going to work what we call folding pass. Okay, folding pass position is when I get this guy's leg smashed all the way to the side like this. Different ways for me to get into a position like this, all right? This way we're going to do is from the same position. When I get here and I feel this leg is more straight, it's not opening to the side, it's just on this straight line, I bring my chest even lower here close to his knee, and I'm going to push this knee out of the way. When his knee points right here to the other side and pass under my armpit, I'm gonna catch with my body. So just this catch I want you to do. I push, I can even move more to this side here, and I catch. When I catch his leg here, I don't want to be with my hand pushing the knee no more. I want this hand to stay to the side so I have a good balance when I move, because I'm just going to collapse. I'm gonna use all my body weight right here on the side of his leg to make his leg go together, and I bring my knee behind his knee and I step here. So the position I'm going to choose, important for me to turn my back to you so you can see, is this knee, my left knee, right behind his knee, and I don't have this knee close here, straight like this. Because all my weight's on my knee now. I need to have this knee pointing to the side, so the weight of my hip and my whole body is falling right here on the side of his legs and keeping his legs smashed together. Once I gain this position here, I'm now in no rush. I don't want you to get here right away, step to the side. I want to make sure the legs are controlled first. So I get here and move my knees as high as I can go. When I feel the time, I can step his leg back. If you need a little bit more secure, make sure he's not going to catch your leg. You can always use this hand. Push the knees together. Take your step back and take your walk to the side control. You can get to this position. Use your hook right here over the leg. Make sure he's not going to catch your leg when you step around and move to the side control. That's also an option. But the most important thing that I want you guys to get is make sure you're going to get on this position. Remember, knee behind our knee, legs step to the side, and all my weight's down over here. You're going to be bothering this guy with the top of your head right against their chin. You're going to stay low right here with this pressure close to the chest. Okay, so one more time. I get to this position. I'm going to step over. I get with my chest close to the knee. When I push, I catch. I push, I catch. I walk, just collapsing right here with my weight on the side of the leg. I got what I want, the folding leg position. I step over, make sure everything's good. Make sure that my arm is around his waist so the pressure from my shoulder is diving against his ribs. Top of my head against his chin. I have a good control. When I feel it's time, I hook. I can make a grip right here on the pins and push this leg down. And I'm just going to do the easy one and go to the side control. Even though that from this position, I can even force mount a lot of times. But most important is you guys getting those legs together. Us, 1, 2, 3. Come back, don't fall, point your knee out, left knee, back, go back. Is it? No. Keep going, nothing happens, keep going. body, no back, guys. Gotta pass to the side. Step anymore. Side to step.
That's right.